Hi, welcome to FM Associates. As an introduction, I'm Alamin Rahman, partner, FM Associates. So one of our practicing area is arbitration, which is an upcoming thing in Bangladesh. So arbitration is basically out of court settlement, as you may know. Nowadays, what's happening, the parties, they're opting for more arbitration mechanism for dispute settlement as opposed to going to the court. One of the major reasons for this is basically that the courts takes a lot of time to solve the disputes, and these may be subject to further appeals and everything. Whereas in case of arbitration, it can be solved very quickly. So we are doing a lot of work in arbitration, and from our experience, as we see that arbitrations can finish as quickly as within 15 days or a month or so. Obviously, there are a lot of arbitrations which can also be prolonged. Arbitration in Bangladesh, they can be done in several ways. The Bangladeshi Arbitration Act 2001 comes into play quite frequently. It's a very exhaustive, matured law that we see, and we're doing a lot of work on this. Apart from Arbitration Act 2001, there is also Bangladesh International Arbitration Council, who also does arbitration, and the private parties can also opt for that. Apart from these, we also see that a lot of companies, especially in cases of international contracts where one party may be Bangladeshi and another party may be a foreigner, may be based out in Japan or Singapore or London, they opt for international arbitration mechanisms. It can be SIAC. SIAC is very common. So we do a lot of arbitrations internationally as well. Our common area for doing arbitrations internationally includes construction contracts, energy contracts, PPP matters are something we are doing now. Apart from doing arbitration, one more major area that covers is also arbitration award enforcement in Bangladesh. These are very sensitive and requires very pragmatic approaches from the lawyers. So as a law firm, that's somewhere we try to add value on. So the awards, when they're being enforced in Bangladesh, it may continue for a long time. So as counsel to our clients, one of our main focus there is basically to solve this matter as soon as possible so that the client gets the remedy immediately, or demurrage as the case may be. So this is something we are doing. Arbitrations, it obviously requires agreement between two parties that could be expressed, or sometimes it could also be implied. As long as there is a expressed arbitration agreement, it's ready to go for arbitration should there be any dispute. In case of implied arbitration agreement, the parties have to agree that they want to opt for arbitration. So I think that is more or less a basic heads up regarding arbitration in Bangladesh. If you need any other information, you can visit our website. We have got a lot of publications and resources in connection to arbitration matters. Please feel free to have a look. Thank you very much.